Setting up a conference in Schoology. Once you log into Schoology, you'll click on the class for the desired conference. Click on Conferences here on the left. You'll see I already have a conference scheduled with a parent, Mrs. Skywalker, to talk about her son Anakin and how he's been cutting up in my class and not doing well. But I'll go ahead and I'll create one. Say I want to talk about history. Oops. And we're going to do it, say, tomorrow at 11 a.m. Create. So now I have my history class for tomorrow that I'm going to talk about history with. I have my parent conference set up. When Ms. Skywalker calls and wants to meet sooner or wants to meet now, yeah, you can log into Schoology and we'll go ahead and we'll start this conference now. So when you click Start, use this audio, allow, test.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So then when the parent or students log in, you'll see them in this list on the left. They see this screen as soon as they log in. You can annotate the screen. You can draw on it. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can add a slide. Go to slide 2, and I want to put in some text. I'll draw a box. And then I'm going to go back and annotate it, underlined, whatever you want to do, or just delete it. So go back to slide 1. So we're in this conference, we're talking, we're done. If we turn the video on, of course you'll get the video camera, it'll show up on the top of the screen here, you and the parent. You can share your screen, your entire screen, but these slides are shared automatically with everyone who logs into the conference. So I'm finished talking. We came up with a plan on how to straighten out young Anakin, me and Miss Skywalker. So I'm going to end the conference. Thank you, Miss Skywalker. Have a great day. I appreciate it. End meeting. Yes. So principal contacts me a few days later and says, hey, did you ever talk to Miss Skywalker? And I say, yes, I did. Principal says, well, I thought she said that y'all haven't met yet. You can go to my conferences. You can come to completed. And I can say, why, yes, we met on the 23rd. Of course, this time we started the conference earlier. You'd have to make you some notes. But it also records whatever you want to record, holds it for 7 days, and you can download that and keep a copy of it or get rid of it. So say I don't need this. I feel confident Miss Skywalker's not going to throw me under the bus with my principal. I can delete this and remove it. So then I want to start this with the class. So I click Start. Audio, allow.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So we start this and all the students log in. Again, you see the students out over here on the left. They'll all drop in, and if they have video initiated, they'll start to pop up on the screen. They see this screen on their iPad or laptop or computer, whatever they're using. Again, you can annotate, do whatever you want to do. Walk them through it, create more slides. You get the picture here. I want to end the meeting. Yes. It was a great meeting. Did wonderful. So we're back here. Again, if I want to keep that conference in here, I can keep it in my completed, or I can say, I don't think it's that important to keep it. We'll go ahead and delete it and delete. That's how you go through the basic setup and functions of conferencing.